Ever heard someone mention Asana and wondered, wait, what's that again? Or maybe you've been using it for a while but are curious if there are other names for this popular project management tool. Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Asana and exploring some of its alternative names. What is Asana? Let's start with a quick recap. Asana is a cloud-based work management platform that helps teams organize, track, and manage their projects. It's a popular choice among individuals and businesses of all sizes due to its user-friendly interface and robust features. The power of alternative names. Having multiple names for a tool can sometimes be confusing, but it can also be helpful. It can expand your search options, connect you with different communities, or even uncover hidden features. So, let's explore some of the alternative names you might encounter when discussing Asana. Alternative names. Work management platform. This is perhaps the most common alternative name for Asana. It's a broad term that encompasses various tools like Asana, Trello, Monday.com, and others. Task management software. Asana is primarily used for managing tasks and projects, so this is another frequently used term. Project management tool. This is a more specific term that highlights Asana's primary function of helping teams plan, execute, and track projects. Team collaboration software. Asana is not just a task manager. It's also a powerful collaboration tool that helps teams work together effectively. Agile project management tool. Asana is often used in agile methodologies, so this term is also relevant. Why do alternative names matter? Expanding your search. Knowing alternative names can help you find more information, resources, and tutorials online. Connecting with communities. Different communities may use different terms, so understanding alternatives can help you connect with like-minded individuals. Discovering hidden features. Sometimes, alternative names can lead you to discover hidden features or use cases that you may not have been aware of. Additional considerations. Regional variations. There may be regional variations in the terms used for Asana. For example, in certain parts of the world, it might be referred to as a work organizer or task tracker. Industry-specific terms. Depending on your industry, there may be more specific terms used for Asana. For instance, in the software development industry, it might be called a bug tracking tool or issue tracker. Recap. So, to recap, Asana is commonly known by several alternative names, including work management platform, task management software, project management tool, team collaboration software, and agile project management tool. The importance of knowing alternatives. Understanding these alternative names can be beneficial for expanding your search, connecting with communities, and discovering hidden features. Call to action. If you have any other questions or would like to share your experiences with Asana, feel free to leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.